I'll show you how to find sales volume on Amazon for different products. Now we'll go through two different methods that you can use. The first method is using Helium 10. They have a plugin that you can install with your subscription, and then all you need to do is you go to the product and you'll find what the sales volume is for that particular product. So let's look at some examples that could relate to anyone wanting to launch a product of their own or currently have a product on Amazon. So if you look at a throw blanket, where you can look at the price, $14.99, the unit sales per month, and here you can get the 30-day revenue for this particular product. All right, here's another one, $19.99, 37,000 units per month, gets you about $740,000 in 30-day revenue. And just a few more, it's loading up here. Some of these are become NA. Generally, the ones that have lots of sales reviews. And NA means these numbers are very high. And here's another one. This is a LG water filter, $32, about 50,000 per month in sales, 1.5 million. Just a bathroom rug, $988, 36,000, and here you got your revenue. So you can get these if you have the Helium 10 extension and you get the software prior to it. It's just a quick add-on. Another method you can do is you can go to just our Ecom Insights site, which is ecominsights.io, and we have two different types of reports: top selling products for particular brands, keywords, and we also have market update report for search volume. So this report isn't particularly for product sales, it's more for keywords and their search volume, their price, monthly sales, and monthly revenue. For example, this is a beard growth kit, over 60,000 a month in search. This is the price, average price, monthly sales, monthly revenue, and how many units were sold last year. Now, these ones might be a little more beneficial for looking for the finding sales volume. Now, let's say most of these are brand specific. So, like, for example, Puma, right? It's tough to compete with Puma just because of brand recognition. But let's look at Hallmark. These are just essentially cards, different variations of it, birthday cards, gift cards. Like, for example, this product right here is a Hallmark birthday card 20-pack with envelope, priced at $16.99, does 3,288 sales per month and generates over 55,000 in monthly revenue. And this is another type of card that anyone can really capture, is a Hallmark 50th anniversary card. And here you can see it's priced at $5.99, does about 1,000 units per month, and does 6,000 per month in sales. Now, another way you can look at this is if you go to these free reports, let's see if we have Hallmark here. You can capture, let's go ahead and type in Hallmark. Here we go. So this is a combination, again, the free revenue. So you can see this is another birthday card for Hallmark. This does 246 searches per month, average price of $8.51, over 1,000 sales per month, about $11,000. So you can also get some ideas, right? Christmas Hallmark, with DVDs, box birthday cards, gift wrapping paper, Hallmark all occasion cards. Right, you can get some ideas of Hallmark batteries, birthday cards, right? Different variations. So you can get an idea of find the sales volume. Going back to this right here, where it has the specifics, right? You can find the ASIN, and you can see who the seller is. So in this case, seller is Amazon. Hallmark is selling to Amazon. Amazon is selling it to you, right? And you can see you can see Hallmark does about total of $5.1 million per month. The majority of that is from Amazon themselves. You can see there are some other sellers on here. But if again we go to another example, another brand, and if we go to, let's say, that Puma example that we were just talking about. So for this Puma one, this also is the same thing. The only difference is we'll go down to the top sellers. Some of you might want to find opportunities. You can see Puma does over $16.7 million a month in revenue, their products. Amazon here is only about a third of it at $5.6 million, but this seller called Chewbacca does close to $8 million a month in revenue. And you can go down this list of the different sellers on the Puma ASINs and what their sales are. And you can get more specific, right? You can see there are a total of 487 ASINs we have for Puma here. Chewbacca has the buy box for $268. Amazon has 148. And then you can also go here to this report here, right? You can see the total again, 6.7 million. And you can see the top ASIN right here is this. That does 150,000 per month in revenue. The buy box for this ASIN is Orva Stores. This next one here, this ASIN, 140,000. Buy box, Chewbacca. So you can also filter by seller. And if you really want to, we're currently at the 50. You can go to 100. So you can see the results of 100 of them. You can also print these reports, download to Excel, get yourself a copy of it and put it into Google Sheets or whatever spreadsheet you use. So for those looking at how to find sales on Amazon, right, you can use our free reports. Right? We also do custom reporting. As you can see, we do ASIN reports, keyword reports, marketplace reports, if there's something specific you want. And you can also use tools like Helium 10 to get you specific ASINs, their sales volume for those products. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.